Windows play a vital role in your home's comfort, efficiency, and appearance. For homeowners in Fleming Island, Florida, where the climate brings high humidity, hot summers, and the risk of severe storms, properly installed windows are even more important. While many people are tempted to save money with DIY projects or quick fixes, window installation mistakes can lead to costly repairs, energy loss, and even safety risks. Understanding the most common errors can help you avoid them and ensure your home gets the long-term benefits of new windows. Choosing the wrong window for the climate. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is selecting windows without considering Fleming Island's humid and storm-prone environment. For example, standard single-pane windows don't provide enough insulation against the Florida heat. Wood frames can warp or rot quickly when exposed to humidity. Non-impact glass offers little protection during storms. Better solution. Choose windows with double or triple pane glass, low E coatings, and impact resistance. Vinyl or fiberglass frames are also smart investments for resisting moisture. Core measurements. Windows must fit precisely within their openings. Homeowners often take rough measurements or skip checking for structural irregularities. This leads to gaps that allow drafts, humidity, and pests inside. Frames that don't sit flush, causing difficulty in operation. Higher labor costs if adjustments are needed during installation. Better solution. Always rely on professional installers who measure carefully, accounting for frame size, squareness, and insulation space. Skipping proper sealing and insulation. Even the highest quality window won't perform properly if the surrounding gaps aren't sealed. A common mistake during DIY projects is using the wrong materials or skipping sealing altogether. This creates drafts that raise energy bills, moisture intrusion leading to mold or wood rot, reduced lifespan of both windows and surrounding walls. Better solution. Professional installers use weather-resistant flashing, foam insulation, and sealants designed for humid climates to create airtight, watertight barriers. Ignoring local building codes. Fleming Island falls within Florida's building code requirements for energy efficiency and storm preparedness. Installing windows without considering these codes can void your warranty, fail inspections when selling your home, leave your home vulnerable to storm damage. Better solution. Work with certified local contractors familiar with Florida codes. They'll ensure your windows meet all safety and performance standards. Attempting DIY installation without experienced window installation may look straightforward, but it requires precision, knowledge of materials, and specialized tools. DIY mistakes often include crooked alignment that prevents proper closing, over or under tightened fasteners that compromise performance, damaging frames or glass during handling. These errors not only waste time but often cost more to fix later. Better solution. Professional installation guarantees accuracy, safety, and long-term durability. Installers also provide warranties, giving you peace of mind. Overlooking ventilation and design needs. Another common mistake is focusing only on cost and missing out on the functionality or style that suits your home best. For example, installing non-operable picture windows in a kitchen or bathroom can reduce ventilation where it's most needed. Better solution. Consider how each window will function in your space. Casement or awning windows are excellent for ventilation, while bay and bow windows add character to living rooms or front-facing areas. Why professional installation is worth it. Avoiding these common mistakes comes down to one choice: working with experienced professionals. Certified installers in Fleming Island know the local climate challenges. Use the right materials for durability. Ensure compliance with Florida's codes. Provide warranties on both product and labor. The result is a home that's more energy efficient, comfortable, and well protected from the elements. Final thoughts for homeowners in Fleming Island. Window installation is not just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a critical investment in comfort, safety, and efficiency. By avoiding common mistakes like poor measurements, skipping proper sealing, or ignoring local codes, you'll save money and headaches in the long run. Trusting professionals for your window installation ensures your home stays secure against humidity, storms, and rising energy costs, while also looking beautiful from the curb. It's one of the smartest upgrades you can make for lasting value and peace of mind.